Now at 6, a judge says the state attorney can investigate claims that a Cape Coral councilwoman did not live in her home district when she ran for council.
The councilwoman, Patty Cummings, tried to stop that investigation from happening. Wink News reporter Claire Galt tells us what's next in this case.
Patty Cummings is on the record saying yes, she lived in her district during the time she was elected for her spot on Cape Coral City Council. But an investigation paid for by the city says otherwise. Thursday, a judge ruled against Cummings and in favor of the city, saying the state attorney's office can do its own investigation. On VotePattyCummings.com, her campaign website, she says she decided to run for District 4 because, quote, the citizens deserve the truth. Cummings won.
Right after the election, a citizen reached out to me with concerns that Ms. Cummings was not actually qualified to serve in her seat because she was not a resident of that district.
The city first turned to the governor, but Ron DeSantis' office refused to investigate an anonymous complaint. So Cape Coral paid for that investigation I mentioned. The majority of council voted to ask the state attorney's office to get involved because of its subpoena power.
Violating that trust is a serious matter, and one that, if it turns out that it's found to be the case, is something that should be prosecuted.
Cummings and her attorney hoped a judge would stop the state attorney. That didn't happen.
Cape Coral City Council sent the matter to the state attorney's office on June 27th, and the petition was then filed after the fact on July 13th.
So could Cummings be kicked off city council, be charged with a crime? Depends on which legal expert you ask.
There is a statute that makes it a third-degree felony to do false swearing on any sort of affirmation or oath in connection with or arising out of voting or elections.
In a situation like this, I think it's more likely that criminal charges will not be filed, and that it will be referred to the comptroller's office, the Division of Elections, some entity out of Tallahassee, as to what the appropriate remedy would be.
Neither Jill Prenger nor Doug Malloy are involved at all in this case. The state attorney's office told me it cannot comment at all on the investigation. At Cape Coral City Hall, Claire Galt, Wink News.